I was an OFW for almost 3 years. I was a singer in the band.
Literally, tambay ako. Tambay ako sa plaza ng Dagupan, nag-skateboard.
I'm an opera singer and it's hard to find work here in the Philippines.
I was an image model for a certain mall.
Isa ako dun sa mga nagkaroon ng financial crisis before, yung mga companies nagtanggalan.
It's been around for more than 8 years and we are in our 9th year. So I can really see that this company will take us further. The first 9 years, it has changed the lives of a lot of people.
It's a business that's booming right now, and as more professionals get into this industry, it's set to be even larger this year because right now, as of now, it's already $100 billion making industry.
After nung nag-graduate ako, nakita ko na itong business na to, itong Fern business, posible na matulungan ako na maabot ko yung mga pangarap ko. Among other companies, siya yung confident ako to work with, yung hindi ako kakabahan, baka after ilang months mag-close siya or mag-fold up.
Fern is a huge company. This is the only company na nakita ko na people really buy the products. And up until now, halos 10 years na si Fern. Solid pa rin siya. Multi-million in a month, billion in a year ang sales. Sobrang phenomenal. And it's Filipino.
Be part of the paradigm shift that is Fern. This is no ordinary networking.
In October, my father enrolled me into a seminar. It's supposed to find your potential seminar. And I met my upline there. She was part of the crew.
I was reading tons of books about this amazing industry. Basically, it's like an eye-opener. So in a way, I was in mindset that I wanted to be my own boss and not work for other people.
Network marketing has helped me a lot to see myself better, because you see yourself that I'm a person of value.
If you will join a company, dapat nandun yung word na stability. Kasi ang pinaka-importante is the relationship with the people, na hindi ka mapaya. And number 2, if you want to have greater heights in the industry, syempre ibang level din yung kagaya ni iFern na nasa pioneering stage. So parang yung pinakamahirap na 2 words in the industry pinagsama, the stability and the pioneering stage.
I think, and I'm sure a lot of Filipinos will agree, hindi ba panahon na we should and we can go global? Only Fern, I think, will be able to do that talagang phenomenally well. Talagang game changer siya sa industriya. Hindi din sa Pilipinas, kundi sa buong mundo.
Fern rises above the rest by redefining the Philippine MLM landscape through the company's remarkable success and spotless reputation as a major player in the country's MLMC. And Fern continues to push the boundaries of local networking as Fern goes global.
Compensation plan, number one. Kasi minsan kahit anong ganda ng produkto, pag hindi ganun kaganda ang kitaan, ang mga networkers, medyo mapapagod sila. Pero, we have to balance everything. Kailangan pareho. Napakagagandang produkto, pero napakaganda din ang compensation plan. And I know, right now, iFern lang ang meron yan.
Filipinos need the vehicle for them to be able to be tapped and be entrepreneurs. And iFern is the best vehicle because it's something that's never been done before. Because right now our products are already in demand.
I believe ito yung magandang pagkakataon na mapatunayan naman natin na tayo hindi lang nangangamuhan sa ibang lahi, that we can be entrepreneurs.
Just hold on to your dreams. Kung gusto niyo ng legacy, then sama kayo sa iPhone. Filipinos are natural-born networkers. Notice this, Filipino is the only race that is able to adapt and adapt to the other cultures of other races of any country sa buong mundo.
We're very diligent people, we're very hardworking, and we're very relational.
I believe risk-taker ang mga Pilipino.
Pinoys worldwide, we're known to be in the top in terms of social networking, such as Facebook and Twitter. And I believe this addiction to connecting with other people will play an edge in this type of business.
Because we're a fun-loving race, and we do. I believe that this industry, network marketing, is something that we should enjoy, and we have to have fun about it.
We genuinely care about others, and network marketing is about relationship selling. The more you will want to help others, the more you will want to make their lives better, the more they will want to work with you, and the more that you will earn.
I feel excited having this list that Fern is having now, from a local company. Okay, they're going offshore. Okay, venturing to another market wherein we could reach more people.
I'm very excited because we're gonna share prosperity outside the Philippines. Kasi nga before, yung thinking ko is that we're going abroad to work as a nurse and earn a lot of dollars. But now, I'm going to earn a lot of money in dollars while here in the Philippines.
Bawat sulok ng mundo may mga Pilipino. And ang mga Pilipino kasi likas na mapagkaibigan, very approachable. So pag ako dinala ko tong business sa ibang bansa, madali ko na magagawa yung business.
For the past 9 years, I'm proud because Fern was able to build such a solid foundation and such a strong brand, which would carry us milestones in the international arena.
For me, perfect timing siya. Perfect timing na connected ako with a company na feeling ko talaga family. Family, they're not just business partners to me, but they're a family to me.
Wow, this is gonna be huge. I mean, I don't care about the money, but think of the people, the opportunities you're gonna get.
Sigurado ako na in 5 years, I would say na not just to become successful doing iFern, but I'm really looking forward that my business partners will also get prosperity and be blessed by this business.
Fern, okay, being a blessing to many, not only in my generation, but from generation to another generation.
I believe this business will be going further than what I can imagine right now. Right now, I'm thinking about the Philippines. We could change the lives of a lot of Filipinos. We could change the lives of a lot of our countrymen. And I believe that we can do this business internationally. If we can do it here in the Philippines, we can do it anywhere in the world.
Filipino, tapos iFern. So, years from now, iFern will be a global brand. Filipino-based.
The good life is out there. It's a choice. Challenge yourself. Change your life. Embrace the vision. The global vision for Pinoy success. the global vision that is iFirst.